What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So by popular demand, today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of the 2025 Yellowstone 170RQ, and that RQ is going to stand for Rear Queen. This is going to be a short, compact RV. This is going to be perfect for someone that maybe has like a Jeep or that SUV that wants to get up and go, maybe hit the trails. Like we went on a trip, a couple years ago when we got married up in Colorado. Man, I could totally see us taking it through some of the state parks that we went. This thing is pretty darn cool, especially for, like I said, kind of the adventurous couple or something like that. But again, it's the 2025 Yellowstone 170RQ. And today I'm down at Funtown RV's North Detroit location. They have a little lot party going on. So they got some hot dogs, they got some snacks, we got cornhole, we got some like darts, throwing kind of thing going on. Pretty neat to be at. A little bit more fun than shooting at the manufacturers like I'm accustomed to. But under 2,500 pounds, 18 feet 2 inches long from tongue to bumper. I think it looks really nice. It does have a wet bath, which isn't my favorite. However, I think it's really fitting for how you are going to use it. But you do have a solar panel up top with your solar charge controller. So I think that's pretty nice just to get a little extra juice. And somebody's probably going to be boondocking in this thing. You can always see the weight stickers, right here, and then this one says the overall, length, 18 feet 2 inches, per the manufacturer. But they do have a bunk model that I record. I don't know if I posted it first or second, but if you do have kids, the difference would be up front would have 2 bunks. Now in this one, they have a dinette which drops down for a bed, so it'd be a great place to bring the additional, kid with you, or I think if you're bringing, your travel companion, if you have like a little dog cage or something like that, if you're someone that has a dog cage, I don't know, it'd be a good place to slide it in right there as well. But you're gonna have windows on either side of your dinette. You have a little cutout just to kind of help you skew down in. You're also gonna have outlets, USB, universal C. The interior room on this is probably right at about 6 foot, 6'1". You can see my head is standing right up into there, so it is pretty cozy in here. However, the person buying this is probably taken a step up from a tent, but doesn't want to dive into like a full-on travel trailer, style life. They don't want to spend that money. They don't want the weight, and they want to keep the versatility without going, too bonkers. Plumbed-in sink right here. You're also going to have the kind of the hard-style plastic top, which, babe, if you're watching, I love you. And then you got your little bit of additional storage, and then you got your microwave right here, and the microwave has really all the modes that you need, including beverage, bread, and meat. It's got a meat mode. Gotta have a microwave with meat mode, or it's no camper for me. That I can tell you. I will never own a camper without meat mode. 2 top burner to whip up all the fixins. You also do have a furnace in this, so you got plenty of heat. And then you have a little 12-volt refrigerator here too as well, which is great to pair up with the with the solar up top too, which I don't know if it's 100 or 200 watts. But again, that'll be down in the description along with that link for Funtown's North Detroit location. A little side-mounted AC unit, so that thing will get, kind of cooking on there. Yeah, okay, cool. Emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. You got your fuse box down here below, and you do have a queen bed here in the back with plug-ins, another window, and then overhead storage. Now this one right here is not big guy friendly necessarily, but you got your wet bath, so it's the old triple S as they like to call it, the poop, shower, and shave, baby. And like in the other one, I'll get in this to give you a reference. Let me put the lid down here. But I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds, and you can see my head is up in the sunroof. You actually do get pretty good room in that in that regard. I mean, you can actually stand up in it, which is better than I was originally thinking. But the shower, you're probably just sitting down, just taking a rinse off. I don't think I'm using this as a shower. It's probably just going to be a bathroom. And if anything, I might even not even use the bathroom. I might just turn this into a closet, to be quite honest with you. But pretty darn neat. But I mean, what do you guys think? Get me done size, priced aggressive, nice and light, nice and versatile. We're heading around on the outside, but first, right here is going to be your control center, so you can check all your tank levels, your different lighting structure, your solar charge controllers can all be checked out right there. And then here on the outside, you're going to get a fiberglass finish with a wood frame construction. Again, just keeping down on cost there for you. And once more, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description. But under 2,500 pounds and 18 feet 2 inches. So, I mean, can really virtually go anywhere. I do enjoy the fact that it has a little rock guard here up front, and instead of having the fiberglass on the side, they do go with a metal front cap right there too, which I think makes aesthetically a pretty good look to it. You have a 20-pound propane bottle, a place for, you know, of course, your battery, and then you have the solid entry steps, which is interesting because I totally would have thought they'd put those flimsy steps on there, but I like the fact they went with an upgraded step. One, it can hold a little bit more weight, 500 pounds to be exact, but also it's just a nice little kind of fit and finish type thing. You also have your screen door, and it's a friction hinge door too, so up to 25 mile per hour winds. You have your cable and antenna along with your plugins right there. Single axle, and this is going to be a 15-inch off-road tire too, which I think not only does it look cool, but it kind of speaks to the demographic that they're selling. That person, like I said, maybe you're going to Colorado. Nice pass-through storage. Wasn't expecting that. I think that's pretty snazzy, and it's finished too. So I mean, you could put a ton of stuff in there, whether you're hunting or fishing, you know, doing whatever. You also got a little leash latch slash, you know, apple juice bottle opener right there. And then you're going to have your spare tire sitting on your bumper as well. And I think from behind it has a really clean cut appearance. I think that's pretty darn snazzy, pretty darn snazzy. Another cable and antenna hookup right there. You're also going to have your 30 amp connection, your potable water, city water, and then an outdoor shower along with your sewer and waste holding tank release right there, and a gas and electric water heater there too as well. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter. This is the 2025 Yellowstone 170RQ, the little guy with the rear queen. See you. Meow.